We're at CES 2023 in the Jackery solar generator booth, and they have their vehicle in display. Pretty much an overlanding vehicle. This particular vehicle is a Jeep Rubicon chassis. First thing you'll notice, has a pneumatic fridge, dirt box, Overland gearbox, power solutions too, rock tying tent, and you see there's a small Jackery unit right there. Oops. Down here, we have the Jackery Solar Saga 200 solar panels. This is what it looks like, folded down. Again, here we go, view of the inside. Ladder to go up there. Now this particular unit is actually powered by the Jackery Explorer 2000P. Right there. More view of the inside.
He's been doing all this crazy stuff.
Let's see if I can go to the front here. Oh, they even have solar panels mounted to the rooftop tent.
Hey, thank you very much.
Jackery booth, CES 2023.